It's that time of year. It's the time that I give my courtyard a summer deep clean. I'm pulling out the pressure washer to give everything a good clean, and then we're going to be bringing in all the decor that I purchased for 4th of July. We love the 4th of July around here. It's when we invite all of our kids and grandkids over for barbecue and swimming, and we watch the fireworks from our backyard. So stick around so you can see everything that I do to spruce up for the 4th of July. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. So today we're here in my courtyard and we're going to decorate it for the summer and for 4th of July. I'm battling rain here, so you might hear some thunder and some lightning, and you might see a new outfit or two. Okay friends, so last time I showed you this rug, I told you that it was holding up really well out here. However, now I'm starting to see that it is changing colors and it's got some green mold and things like that on it. So I went ahead and I got some Simply Green, and I'm going to go ahead and give the rug a good pressure wash. Now I do this every 3 months, so every season I come out here and I pressure wash everything. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again today, but I'm really going to focus on this rug because it has seen better days and I'm not happy about it. This is a rug that I got from Target, and it is the Studio Mcgee line. And unfortunately, it just stays wet in this courtyard a lot, and the rug is not completely drying out, so it leaves all this stuff. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and pressure wash it and get it as clean as I possibly can so that we can get this area decorated and ready for 4th of July. I worked a long time to get all those little bitty black marks out of the rug. I was never able to completely get them out. I did get the green out. However, those little black marks were more difficult. Now, if I use a different nozzle, it would probably come out, but that might ruin the rug if I do that because it's going to be a stronger spray. So I decided not to ruin the rug or not risk ruining the rug and just going ahead and getting it as clean as I possibly can.
When you close your eyes, do you feel alive? Do you know I'm going crazy for you tonight? Summer's around the corner. I want this night to be over. Summer's around the corner. How can we make this go on forever? Make this forever.
All right, now that I got the rug done, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take care of the rest of the courtyard. I'm going to start here on the ground and get everything out of these corners. As you know from other videos, when the wind blows in, it blows in all this stuff from outside into the courtyard, and it always congregates right here underneath this table and over by the front door. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything out so that we can start with a nice fresh space.
Keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause
outdoor pillow covers that I'm going to be using on the pillows that I already have out here. All these I got from Amazon. I love the colors. It's the theme that I'm going with this year. So I think these will look perfect over there on the chairs.
I set out on a road that I built with my own two hands. I met friends on the way, people chosen to make a stand. I felt strong in the sun as I walked onto pastures green. Saw forgiveness together, spaces in between.
And I also got this windsock from Amazon. It's really good quality. It's all embroidered on there. Very good quality. It's the long one. And I think it's going to look really good in the courtyard. I'm going to stick it right up in the corner.
And my ventures, they brought me to places I've never been.
All right, so somehow I lost the clips of me putting these mats down, but I got these 2 mats from Hobby Lobby, and I am so proud to be an American. All in all, we're still the best country in the world.
But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights, and you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free.
Okay, so I got all this stuff from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to go ahead and make a little wreath. Now, I did have the grapevine wreath already. I do this quite often. I will reuse grapevine wreaths and just put some flowers of whatever season that I am decorating for. This just costs so much less than going out and buying brand new wreaths every single season, and then you have to find a place to store all those wreaths. So I already have a lot of wreaths that I've got stored in my garage, and I don't need any more. So I decided that this is the best way for me to get some color up on my door to celebrate the season. So I just got some hydrangeas, in red, whites, and blues. And then I got the ribbon with the stars on it, because that is my theme for this year, is the stars. So I've got some red ribbon, it's got some stars on it, and I'm just going to move things around on this wreath and see what looks best. And what you see me doing now is not what it ends up looking like, so stay tuned.
But I still hold you dear despite the heartbreak you caused in me. 'Cause you were with me through my nights, and you filled the darkness with shining lights, yeah. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady, this fire in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we. I still think of you now, though my memories turning bleak. I'm still walking this road, though my knees they are ever so weak. I never thanked you for putting your faith on a bum like me, yeah. And wherever you are, I think it's here you were meant to be. Baby, we're children of summer, we're meant to be free. Honey, we're not like the others, no reason to be. Lady, this fire in our lungs, so it's too hard to breathe. Lover, I live for the day you and I turn to we.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now they're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer.
I'm very pleased with how everything turned out, and everything was so reasonably priced. Now, these items don't sit out here very long, so I do try to keep the cost down the best that I can. Also, I'll link everything that I can down in the description box. Now, let me know down in the comments if you decorate your patio for 4th of July. Okay, before we say goodbye, I want you to know that YouTube's been watching you, and they have decided that according to your interest, they think that you would like to see these 2 videos next. I hope to see you over there, and I'll see you in next Sunday's video. Until then, stay blessed, my friends.